In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and copy a conversation summary in My Notes. If you've recorded or uploaded a conversation and want a quick way to revisit the most important points, the summary view is a very helpful tool. It gives you a clear overview of what was discussed along with any action items that were identified, so you don't have to read through the entire conversation again from start to finish. To begin, open My Notes and click on any conversation that has already been recorded or uploaded. This will take you into the full conversation screen where you can view the details associated with that note. Make sure you select the correct conversation before moving on, especially if you're working with several notes that may look similar at a glance. Once you're inside the conversation, look near the top of the screen for the summary view. This section is designed to give you a condensed version of the conversation, making it easier to find the key takeaways quickly. If you're not seeing it immediately, just pause for a moment and scan the upper area of the conversation page carefully, since that's where it appears. When you find the summary view, take a moment to review the AI-generated bullet points and action items. These are meant to highlight the main ideas, decisions, and next steps pulled from the conversation. Reading through this section can help you confirm what was discussed and make sure the summary reflects what you need before sharing or saving it somewhere else. It's a good habit to quickly check the summary for accuracy and completeness so you're confident in what you're copying. After reviewing the summary, find the copy or share icon. Selecting this icon allows you to copy the summary text directly to your clipboard. Once it's copied, you can paste it wherever you need it, such as into another document, a task tracker, or a follow-up note. If your workflow involves sending updates to others, using the share option can also help you move that information along more efficiently. That's all there is to it. Open a recorded or uploaded conversation. Go to the summary view at the top, review the AI-generated points and action items, and then use the copy or share icon to copy the summary text. It's a simple way to save time and keep important information organized.